I'm tracking the route with Outdooractive again today. Just thought I'd give you a couple of thoughts. So I've used it for a few times now. It seems to track the route okay. A couple of things I do like about it. I like the way that you can move seamlessly between Harvey maps and OS maps. I think that's a great feature. I do like Harvey maps, I've got a lot of time for them, and I do like to be able to swap between the two. And there's various other types of maps as well that you can use, but obviously Harvey and OS tend to be the go-to ones in the lakes. I don't like the fact that it auto scales and you can't lock it to a certain scale. So as you can see there, it's auto scaling between 1 in 25,000 and 1 in 50,000 scales. viewranger used to do that as well, but you could lock it to whatever scale you wanted. Now I did email Outdooractive and they said that it's in the pipeline for a fix, so it's just a case of waiting and seeing. Yeah, it tracks the route okay. I've also plotted routes on it on iPad, and that seems to work well. I haven't followed any routes while I've been out hiking, because that's not the way that I use outdoor mapping. I don't like to follow a route. I like to have the flexibility of going where I want, really. I also like the fact that you can download maps to your phone, so if you lose a signal, then you can still use it without any problem. The major niggle I've got with it is the fact that it often pinpoints my location to the wrong place. So if I take it out of the pocket when it's just been tracking the route in the background, I'll open up the app, I'll press the little button there to send to me, and it'll have me somewhere miles away from where I am, and somewhere where I've never been. You know, it's not as if it's just gone back 20 minutes on the track and put me in the wrong place. It can often put me somewhere completely random. So I'll center it, and invariably within 20 or 30 seconds it finds my location. Fine, we're okay, we can move on. But sometimes it's taking a minute or two, which can be very frustrating when you're just wanting a quick fix as to where you are. Now, it could be the GPS on my phone, I'm not sure, but you know, I've had viewranger installed on this phone before it was inactivated, and I never had that problem with viewranger. So I think it's probably a software issue, and again, I hope it's something that they can sort out, because otherwise it does seem okay. Yeah, so that's just some quick thoughts on the Outdooractive mapping